Hello, class. Uh, I hope you all are well. Okay, today I'm going to tell you about some mobile apps, some popular mobile apps. This is in your book. You can see in your book this point. Okay, there are many apps, as I have told you already in my previous class. This uh, apps may be like some educational app, entertainment app, or payment app, many more. I think you all know about this app. There are many types of app. Okay, come to the point. Some uh, popular apps are some educational apps. Okay, the educational app is like you can see here the educational app. What is this educational app? The educational app is the app that is used for education purpose, that is used in our education. Okay, these are the educational app, and you can see here there are many more educational app. One of them, some of them are merit nation app. Okay, the very first very famous app is this app belongs to the classes like 6 to 12th. Okay, in this app you can see your syllabus, you can get the solution of your problems, you can search, you can make articles, you can see, you can read the articles, you can uh, study uh, about your syllabus, about your chapters, and about the topic from this app. Okay, and the next one is Byju's. This is the very famous app in this time. This is also an educational app, and in this app, uh, first uh, you can use this app for your uh, training like NIT training, IIT, JEE, CAT, or IAS, and some other government jobs. You can use if you are uh, going to prepare a NIT exam or JEE exam, then you can use this app. Okay, and the next one is Duolingo. Okay, this is very important app, and those who wants to learn languages, different kind of languages, this app is very useful for those persons, because in this app you can learn other languages like English, German, France, Swedish, and many more languages you can learn from this app. Okay, next one is ePathshala. This is also very famous app. This app is used for the education purpose. You can also see the articles, some and topics of your syllabus, and any kind of knowledge if you want to get, then you can use this ePathshala app. This is very famous app. Okay, uh, apart from this there are some other apps like, let me show. This is the app, the social networking app. The social networking app, I think there is no need to tell this about this app to you all. You all know about this app very well. And the social networking app, very famous app, is WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. All these app you all have used. I think you all have your WhatsApp group, from where we are going to we studies we study using the WhatsApp, and the Facebook. You can share your thoughts, you can share your photos, thoughts, videos, anything. Same thing you can do at your Twitter and LinkedIn app. Using these app you can connect with social media. Okay, these are the apps category, uh, social networking category, and the next one is this category. Okay, just see these categories in the book, and after that you can see these app in your mobile. Okay, but and after that, just make a note. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, thank you.